Hey guys, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur.com, and today we're going to be talking about a very special method to help you get better reviews, and that's using what I call the Amazon book review link. What this is a special link that you can create where when somebody clicks it, it will not only go right to your book, but it will go to the page where they can just start filling in the review itself. Most authors are forcing their readers and reviewers to click on the link to go to the book, scroll down and kind of search around and hopefully find the button that says leave a review, or whatever Amazon's calling it today. But instead of making your people work, create this special link and it will drive them right to this page. Now, before we get into that link, if you'd like to learn more about book marketing or see some really cool tips like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that little bell icon so you get a notification when my next video comes out. And with that, let's build the link. All right, guys, in order to build that special Amazon book review link, you need to take this right here. Don't worry, it'll be in the description below. All right. And then you need to add to the right of it the ASIN number of the book you want reviewed, or the ISBN 10, not the ISBN 13, but the ISBN 10. Once you've chosen one of those and you put it to the end of it, you now have a link that when somebody clicks it, it will take it straight to that book's review, just like that. All right, guys, so using that process, you can now create a link to drive your readers straight to leave a review. That way you're not forcing them to have to take extra steps. And let's face it, when you make people have to work just a little bit more, many of them just drop out. So now, get right to the heart of it, be able to create your own Amazon book review links just like that. And with that, I'm Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, signing off. Cheers.